Is the Bloomble Nano-Gel Muscle Roll-On Lotion. It's the most advanced topical that they have. It's a proprietary nanotechnology, and it makes the active hemp molecules 4 to 7 times more bioavailable, so you get really, really deep muscle penetration for optimal usage. It's natural, you know, it's not like a ton of chemicals. It's a lot better than Bengay or Icy Hot because it's portable. It's hands-free. Like, you can just grab it, roll it on, take it anywhere, use it as much or as little as you need to. I just want to show you guys how it works. So you're gonna want to use this for soreness, for bruising, for inflammation, just kind of any pain. This is gonna help soothe it, stop it, and really just calm those muscles and nerves. The nano emulsion technology makes it really fast acting and super deep penetrating. So this is what it looks like when you take off the lid. And I work out a lot, so I just worked out yesterday. I'm just gonna kind of roll it all over my muscles. Like, has a cooling sensation, no harsh odor. It actually smells kind of like minty and fresh. The hemp extract in it, there's 16.6 milligrams. Natural stuff. My favorite thing about this is just the ease of use. Like, you can literally just pop it in your purse or bag and take it anywhere, use it as much or as little as you need to. And just now putting just that little bit on, I already feel it like soothing and going deep into my skin and into my muscles and just like healing me literally. So definitely go get your Bloomble Muscle Roll-On Gel, 1,000 milligrams.